is it 52 life? I don't know. Corrodes my soul. Sometimes I wish I was on the door. Where will I be in 2023? Still here wasting my college degree. Happiness is an absentee. La 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 la. Time is going slowly, and I'm feeling so lonely. 'Cause all the people that know me are drinking in the ocean. I can't go. Corrodes my soul. I'm so young, feel so fucking old. It's where ambition comes to die. So embrace it and kiss it goodbye. Say a prayer if you're that way inclined. I think I'm losing my mind. I've been working the graveyard shift, graveyard of ambition. Despite all of my wishing, I'm still stuck in the kitchen. Where to go? Corrodes my soul. Sometimes I